rugged, reliable, and now more capable than ever. Meet the brand new Hamilton Khaki Field Power Reserve Mechanical 40mm, the first Khaki field with a power reserve indicator. Since its origins in the 20th century, the Hamilton Khaki Field Collection has been a cornerstone of military-inspired watchmaking. Known for their straightforward design, earthy tones, and robust construction, these watches embody the spirit of field readiness. For 2025, Hamilton introduces a bold evolution. The new Khaki Field Power Reserve Mechanical is housed in a 40mm stainless steel case, just under 12mm thick, with a sandblasted finish that reduces glare and enhances its toolwatch character. A sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating tops the case, while water resistance is rated at 50 meters. Available with either a black or white dial, the watch maintains the Khaki's signature Arabic numerals, military minute track, and syringe-style hands. Coated in old radium superluminova, they deliver vintage charm with modern legibility. The real game-changer is at 9 o'clock, a bold red-accented power reserve display showing F for full and E for empty. An inscription at 6 o'clock proudly states, "Power Reserve 80 hours." Inside ticks the new Hamilton Caliber H23, a hand wound movement with a Nivacron hairspring, developed exclusively for Hamilton. Based on the ETA 2801-2 and enhanced with Powermatic 80 technology, it offers an impressive 80-hour reserve. A slipping spring in the barrel ensures durability, shock protection, and prevents overwinding. The Khaki Field Power Reserve comes with either a rugged green NATO strap with leather loops or a stainless steel bracelet with butterfly clasp. Thanks to Hamilton's Easy Click system, switching straps is quick and tool-free. Joining the permanent Khaki Field lineup, the new model is priced at €915 on strap and €995 on bracelet. Authentic heritage, modern utility, the Hamilton Khaki Field Power Reserve Mechanical 40mm. If you enjoyed this first look, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more watch reviews and news every week.